So how to make a thankful tree? Stay tuned to the very end because we have our giveaway of the 5 silly turkeys. So for this activity, we kicked off first, before we got to this, we kicked off by reading our Thankful book by Todd Parr, and we also read the My Thanksgiving Prayer by Crystal Bowman. And so then we went outside.
I know
Oh, there's some over there.
I can hold those.
Can you get it?
Yeah. I can make them.
And I told him that we were going to be making a thankful tree. And so we were looking for branches. And so we found branches outside. And when we came back in, I made sure that I got out some different types of magazines and things that I knew that he might actually be thankful for. So for example, of course, he loves cars. So he was thankful for cars and trucks. Good.
Now I need to show you.
Okay. And a good fine motor opportunity was for him to put it up there and kind of, not really string it, but pull it through the hole. So you can also have readily materials like markers, crayons, glue, and other things that they can color on. Our youngest child was able to use his little crayon. One thing that I really like about the magazines is that it provides a great opportunity for them to use some fine motor. And I had to hole punch these. And so we have a family picture. And then, of course, he also was thankful for more cars. And as you continue to read the books all week long and you can add different leaves to your tree, you can kind of see if they start thinking of more ideas of ways that they're thankful.
Yeah, make a tree over here.
Congratulations, Anjali Nanda, whose child is Nanu, all the way from California. Congratulations. Your book is coming your way. Thank you guys again for being club members, and everyone is going to receive the latest activity resource, which is the Thanksgiving activity kit with the Thanksgiving bingo, the Thanksgiving song, and there's a T is for Thankful book just for thanking you guys for being members. And share this video with a friend, but let me know in the chat below, what are you doing for Thanksgiving, and do you have any other fun Thanksgiving activities that you plan to do with your little ones? See you guys again next time. Bye.